What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So for today's video, we are reviewing a jug. Now I'm going to show you and tell you what I'm going to be using this for. This is glass. So we see right away we got a lid. And there we go. So, as you can see, this is a glass jug. It comes with a lid. Now this jug is 1 gallon. And did you know that you are supposed to drink this much water every single day? Yep, that's right. You're supposed to be drinking 1 gallon of water every day. Now, a lot of people get this for projects, different stuff, make your own wine, make your own root beer, whatever, just different things. I got this to fill up every day with water, so I know I can drink this whole thing, and I know I've drank 1 gallon of water that day. So that's why I got it. But you guys can get it for whatever reason, whatever you want it for. I personally am just using it to drink water out of it. But there's never-ending uses for it, so whatever you can think of,